Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.02403 mark and the $0.01927 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01956 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upper side of this Elliot wave structure right here in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.325 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04747 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low down here in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.02536 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and it is within this blue target area that I'm expecting now to see the low for this second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, meaning there are chances that we might have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and there are chances that very soon we might start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And if that is the case, and assuming that the low for this second wave is in, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03113 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of its impulsive nature, we'll also be expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation. But in case the breakdown continues here on the Vechain chart, then I'll be expecting to see one more leg down within this blue target area, and maybe also fully maximize our blue target area to the lower side by retracing back to the area at around the $0.02073 mark. And in case such a move plays out and we fully maximize our target area, then I'll be expecting Vechain to continue holding within the blue target area, and once that happens and we start seeing a reaction to the upper side, then I'll be able to sketch out my new target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. But in case the breakdown continues and we break out of this blue target area and continue retracing even further, then that would be suggesting an alternative scenario here on the Vechain chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out and continue watching our blue target area, which lies between the $0.02234 mark and the $0.02073 mark, because we need to continue holding within it for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and then soon we can expect our breakout to the upper side out of this sideways movement that we are seeing at the moment in the formation of this wave 3. And getting back to the 4-hour chart so that we can also take a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal happens. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting that lower prices are still coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.